Hey! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7 and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this smartphone. Firstly, you need to open an app. I will go with Chrome and then access tab menu. Now you need to click on free window icon. And as you can see, now I can use my Chrome in this little window over here. If you wish to use it overlay other apps, just click on the other one and operate in both of them. If you wish to move it around, you need to hold it and drag it. If you wish to close it though, you can do that by clicking on this X icon at the top right corner of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!